can build a successful YouTube channel right from your phone. Even if you've never created an account before, the process is straightforward if you follow the right sequence. This is a complete step-by-step walkthrough. We are going to move from a blank screen to a fully structured channel that is prepared for growth and eventual monetization. To build this as a business, you need a setup that separates your personal viewing habits from your professional data. Starting with a fresh account ensures your branding and analytics remain organized while providing the security structure required to manage a professional creator profile. Open the YouTube app on your mobile device. Look for your profile icon in the corner and tap it. Next, select Switch Account and tap the plus icon. This is the starting point for building your new profile. For security, the app will ask you to verify your identity. Use your phone's fingerprint scanner or enter your lock screen PIN to move forward. We use this specific app to create a brand new Google account. Keeping your personal email separate from your creator account prevents your personal watch history from cluttering your business data and ensures your channel has its own dedicated security recovery options. Tap Create Account and choose the For My Personal Use option. Enter your actual first and last name here. Do not worry about your channel name yet. We will select that professional branding later in the process. Fill in your date of birth and gender, then select Next. Now choose a custom Gmail address. If the name you want is already in use, adding a short string of numbers will usually make it unique enough for the system to accept. Create a secure password. Use a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols to ensure the account is protected from unauthorized access. Immediately write down this new Gmail address and password in a physical notebook. This Googles your recovery information and will eventually link to your payment settings. Losing this login means losing the ability to manage your business and access your future earnings, so keep your physical backup safe. Now, go back to the YouTube app. Ensure you are signed in with a new ID you just created and tap Create a Channel under your profile. Tap the picture icon. This opens your gallery so you can upload and crop a profile photo or a logo that represents your brand. In the name field, enter your desired channel name. Before you save, search for this name on YouTube. You need to ensure no large, established channels are already using it. If you choose a common name, your channel will be buried under the search results for larger creators. A unique name allows your profile to instantly appear at the top of the list when people look for your content. Review your auto-generated handle. If you want a shorter or more professional look, you can edit it now. Once it is ready, simply tap Create Channel. With that tap, you have officially moved from being a viewer to being a creator on the platform. You now have a live YouTube channel and access to your creator dashboard. However, you should not upload any videos at this stage. We have successfully built the foundation, but this only represents 20% of the actual setup required for a professional channel. The remaining 80% involves back-end verification and category selection. Without phone verification, you cannot upload custom thumbnails, which are the primary tool for attracting clicks. Additionally, setting your category helps the system identify exactly which audience is most likely to watch your videos, which is necessary for your reach to expand. To complete those critical back-end steps and unlock your monetization potential, click the video appearing on your screen now. We'll finish the configuration. The channel is ready for its first upload.